Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your banking app, maybe checking your balance, paying a bill, or transferring some funds. You see that familiar black horse logo, that classic Lloyds Bank branding. But have you ever stopped to wonder, really wondered, where exactly this bank calls home? Is it a global giant, with branches scattered across continents? Or is it a more localized institution, deeply rooted in a specific region? We've all seen the name, we've probably interacted with it, but the question remains, which country is Lloyds Bank in? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer touches on a fascinating history, a story of financial evolution, and the very heart of British banking. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's consider the wider context. Banks, historically, have been central to the development of nations. They've funded industries, facilitated trade, and provided the financial backbone for countless individuals and businesses. And Lloyds Bank is no exception. It's played a significant role in shaping the economic landscape of its home country. So, let's get straight to it. Lloyds Bank is a British bank, headquartered in London, England. It's a key player in the United Kingdom's financial sector, with a long and storied past. The bank's roots trace back to 1765, when a button manufacturer named Sampson Lloyd established a private banking firm in Birmingham. This early foundation laid the groundwork for what would eventually become one of the UK's largest banks. Over the centuries, Lloyds Bank has undergone numerous mergers and acquisitions, expanding its reach and influence. It's become a household name in Britain, synonymous with stability and reliability. Today, it operates a vast network of branches across England and Wales, serving millions of customers. But it's not just about the physical branches. Lloyds Bank, like other major financial institutions, has adapted to the digital age, offering a comprehensive suite of online and mobile banking services. This allows customers to manage their finances from anywhere, anytime, further solidifying its presence in the modern world. It's important to distinguish between Lloyds Bank and Lloyds Banking Group. While Lloyds Bank is the retail banking division, Lloyds Banking Group is the larger financial services group that encompasses several brands, including Halifax and Bank of Scotland. However, the core of this financial powerhouse is undeniably British. This British identity is woven into the very fabric of Lloyds Bank. From its historical origins in Birmingham to its modern-day headquarters in London, it's a testament to the enduring legacy of British banking. Its focus remains primarily on serving the UK market, providing essential financial services to individuals and businesses across the nation. So, the next time you see that Black Horse logo, remember that it represents a bank deeply rooted in British history and dedicated to serving the people of the United Kingdom. It's a reminder of the vital role banks play in our lives, and the importance of understanding their origins and operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.